Hi, welcome to another unboxing video here at Motorcycle Sport and Leisure and More Bikes. We've been sent in a Nishua and this is their NRX3 carbon gloss finish. So I'm very excited. It's only arrived at the office today. We're going to open it up, see what they've sent us. Very luckily, I think it's come in at a 58 medium. Ooh, that's my size. So I'm hopefully going to get to test this. But let's look and see what they send as standard. So, out of the box, crash helmet in a bag. God, that feels light, that does. And instructions and what looks to be a nose piece in the bag with the instructions. And yay, it comes with a pin lock. That says we're pin lock ready. So that's a bonus. Let's pop the box to one side out of the way. Pin lock out of the way, instructions and what I'm assuming is a nose guard, and let's open this bag up. So this is the first full carbon helmet. Hopefully I'll get the chance to test, so let's see what it's like. Okay, put the bag on top of the box. There we go. So Nishua, a brand I've not had anything to do with, but it's been sent in and it's extraordinarily light, or it certainly feels it. Almost, you know, almost compared to the Arai and the Axis that I've been wearing over the last 12 months. I mean, the Arai Debut is the one that I tend to go for, to be honest. This feels a lot lighter. Weight on the back on the label says 1300 plus 50. So that's nearly 300 grams lighter than my Arai. Now, venting, what have we got on this one? We have single big operating thumb vent on the top, and again, big thumb vent or vent on the bottom there. That's brilliant, nice and easy. The visor has a nice big tab on the side here, so a gloved thumb will easily open that. It's a bit stiff, but no, you'd like it to be. You don't want it flopping around. And we can see three little tab holes. I don't know whether you'll see it on the video. Three little tab holes there. I'm going to assume, let's have a look, because to assume is to make an ass out of you and me. This nose piece has 1, 2, 3 tabs on it, so that will fix into there. I will do that later. Let's take this horrible static film thing on that they've got on there. Get that off, sorry. Nice little logo, little dragon logo on there, and it even states on here that it is Pinlock included. Just reading up on this brand before I popped in here to make the video, this NRX3 comes in 2 shell sizes. This is the smaller one, which is from extra small to medium, and then obviously a very slightly larger shell size to accommodate large to extra large. Recommended retail price is £258 at the present moment in time. If Tech Guru can put a scrolling banner on the bottom with links to where we can purchase this product from and a few maybe other bits and pieces about the spec. Let's have a look elsewhere. That closes nicely. Visor aperture is nice and deep, comes back far down the helmet, which is nice, so your peripheral vision is not going to be affected. That's really nice. I haven't tried taking one of these visors off, but that looks like a single button and lever press, so that'll come up, and yeah, I'll investigate that at a later date. No side ventilation, but there are 2 exhausting vents there underneath this really rather smart little wing that's mounted on the back, the aero wing. Underneath, we can see it has a chin flap to stop wind getting into the front of the helmet. That's nice. Nice big deep side cheek cushions which cave in, so that's going to wrap tight to the bottom of your head. A standard double D clasp, nice padding on the straps there, and emergency removal points here. We don't want anybody having a crash, but if it happens, an emergency has to come along, they can grab hold of these red points while holding your helmet, give them a pull, and this whole cheek pad section, obviously when they've undone your chin strap, will come out, making removal of your helmet, should it have to happen, just a lot easier. Okay, be very interested to see how much wind noise we get with this helmet. Again, it really is God, it feels light. That feels really light. Anyway, keep your eyes open, Motorcycle Sport and Leisure and More Bikes. We'll sort out a write-up on how this is after we've done a good few hundred miles on it. If you've liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, or wherever you've been watching this, whatever social media platform this has popped up on, or press that bell icon so that you never miss one of our videos when they get uploaded. Motorcycle Sport and Leisure and More Bikes newspaper are out there, so don't forget to go and pick those up. Lots of good news in them, lots of good features. But this was the unboxing of the Nishua NRX 3. Yeah, NRX 3 Carbon. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.